mountain Hindu Kush. Hindu Kush is termed as the northwestern mountain. Is it clear? Put the heading the northern mountains, and we are going to talk about the northern mountains in detail. Is it clear to you all? Please leave the page for the map, and then you are going to write down the northern mountains, Himalayas and Karakoram, and then the northwestern mountains, Hindu Kush. Is it clear?
So you're going to write these names which you are saying, the northern mountain, Himalaya.
Yes, beta. We are going to, yes, you can write down these names, and we are going to, you can put a heading, the northern mountains and the northwestern mountains. Put the heading, the northern mountains and the northwestern mountains, what the way you want to. Please copy it down so that we can move forward and we can write down, we can discuss the features of these mountains. We are going to talk about the features about these mountains. Copied? Okay. The areas, put the heading of areas. These are the areas of the which lie there, which are there in the northern mountains or the northwestern mountains. You must have visited, most of you have visited Dyas, Gilgit Agency, Chitral, Kohistan, Mansehra, Sawat, Bajor Agency, Dir and Ahmedabad. These are the areas which are there. You should know that the northern mountains are having these areas. Please put the heading of areas underneath the northern mountains, and you are going to write down the names of these areas. Are you getting, boys? Boys, you are getting me?
Teacher, can you re-explain?
I am telling you, you have put the heading of northern mountains and the northwestern mountains, copied the mountains. Underneath it, please copy down these areas. These areas are there in the northern and the northwestern mountains. These areas are in the northern and the northwestern mountains. These are the areas. Yes, beta, leave one page, Naveel. And then the page will be for map. And then you are going to copy down the northern mountains and the northwestern mountains. Is it clear? Yes, Naveel, it is correct. But where is the heading? Okay. You have copied the areas? Boys? You have copied the areas?
No, miss.
Okay, copy down quickly. Naveel, you have copied down this heading as well? This heading you have copied, Naveel?
Yes, miss. But below it, I will write the areas.
Yes, you are right. Okay. There are 8 areas: Gilgit Agency, Kohistan, Chitral, Mansehra, Sawat, Bajor Agency, Dir and Ahmedabad. These are the areas which are there in the northern and the northwestern mountains. Northern and northwestern mountains are having these areas. Is it clear? Am I clear to you all? Copied? Boys, copied? I think I'm teaching only 2 students in this class, and that's really disappointing. That's really annoying. This
yes,
is the you people can't purchase a single mic. I am really
Done. Okay.
a simple mic is required, and you people can't purchase that. That is part of your schooling system now. You required it. You people are going to suffer. The ones who are not participating, really, they are going to suffer. I'm telling you for sure. And I'm not going to ask you for the mic again. Do the way you ought to. But do not blame me when you are not scoring good grades. Okay, after that you are going to, this is the map of KPK, which shows the areas which were there in the northern and northwestern mountains. You can see Chitral, you can see Dir, Sawat, Bajor, yes, Mansehra is there, Aptabad is there, and Kohistan is there. Why I am showing you this map? So that you can easily locate these areas. The empty map of KPK will be shared with you, and you are going to download it from Teams, and you will be locating these areas. Are you getting? Please take a screenshot so that you can easily locate the areas of KPK. The areas, these areas, you have to locate these areas on the map which I'm going to give you. Are you getting? And you are going to paste it under the names of the areas. Are you getting, all of you? You are
Yes.
going to locate the names of the areas which are there. Can you see Chitral, Upper Chitral, and Lower Chitral, Upper Dir, Lower Dir, Sawat, Bajor,
Yeah, like this you have
Buner?
to do when you will give the map.
Yes, beta.
Okay.
Is it clear? Upper Kohistan, Lower Kohistan is the where one is written. Mansehra is there and Abbottabad is there. Is it clear? You take a screenshot so that you can easily do the work. Can anyone locate where Fata is there in this province, where Fata is located? Can any one of you tell me where is Fata located in this province, KPK? We have discussed this in our earlier classes.
Miss, state the name again.
What?
State the name again.
Fata. I asked you, okay, do you know where Fata is located? I have taught you.
So you can see in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in the corner.
Yes, to the western side of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which touches Afghanistan border. Muhammad Agency, Khyber, Orakzai, Hangu, Khurram, North Waziristan and South Waziristan are the part of Fata. Is it clear? Why I am mentioning this to you? So that you are having idea where Fata is. Fata is federally administered tribal area. And Safed Ko is the mountain which is there at the Khurram area. Can you see that pointed part of Pakistan? I am telling you the techniques to learn the areas. Are you getting? Boys, I am telling you because examiner will ask you to locate these areas and it will be a problem for you to understand. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes.
Sarim, what you are sharing in the chat? Sarim Siddiqui? Fata, F-A-T-A, Fata. Stop doing that, please, boys. Stop doing it. Okay, all of you are done with the areas. Chitral is the most upper part, is the highest location in Pakistan, and we can see it's there on the top north western side. Yes, it's the northwestern side of Pakistan, and then we are having Kohistan is also the elevated area. Dir and Sawat are also the high elevated areas here in Pakistan. High altitude mountains are there. Okay. So we are now moving forward and we are going to talk about the relief feature. What are relief feature? Please put the heading of relief feature after leaving the map. After leaving space for map, you are going to put the heading of the relief feature. Okay. We are going to talk about relief. What relief is? Relief is the inequalities of land, where the land is not that. How is the land? When I say relief feature, it means Physical features. It means topographical features. Relief features are the physical feature. Relief features are the topographical feature. Examiner can ask you to give the topographical features. Examiner can ask you to write down the relief feature. Examiner can ask you to tell the physical features. All the names are similar and they goes for the relief feature. Is it clear? Are you people getting what I'm saying? So relief are the physical feature. These are the features which you are going to note down. High mountain altitude, yes, the area, northern mountain and the northwestern mountains are having high mountain altitude, that is 4,000 to 8,000 meter. It's 8,000. Do not write it 6,000. It's 8,000. Please copy down. Snowy peaks are there. Means the peaks are covered with snow because of the high altitude. East to west direction. Himalayas and Karakoram are having east to west direction. They run from India towards Afghanistan. The glacier is one feature. Glacier, do you know what glaciers are? Glaciers are the mountains which are ice mountains. They are the mountains which are covered with ice. Mountains which are covered with ice are the glaciers. The Pakistan is having the world's third largest glacier, that is Siachen Glacier. It is 78 kilometers long. Pakistan is having world's third largest glacier, that is Siachen, and Pakistan and India is having a fight always for the Siachen Glacier because it is the strategically important position for both the countries. And it's very difficult to survive there at glacier because it's the freezing temperature and always there remains the snow and on the ice. Okay, Baturo and Balturo are also the glaciers which are present there in Pakistan. Difficult landscape means the landscape is difficult. It's not easy for us to travel on the land because of the rugged landscape, because of the mountainous terrain. Pass is a feature of the mountainous region. Pass, do you know what a pass? Passes are the natural routes, natural pathways, natural ways to to travel from one area to another in the mountain. If there are huge mountains, you can't cross that mountain, okay, if there is no pass there. So passes are required and passes are naturally present most of the time. Punjab Pass is there, most important because it connects Pakistan with China. Karakoram Pass is there, Babusar, Shangla, Shandur, Loari. These are the passes which we are going to locate inshallah in the next slide. All of you are following me? Okay. Valley is also a feature. Valley is the flat land between the mountains. Between 2 or 3 mountains, the flat land is the valley. We are having Naran, Kagan, Chitral, Dir, Sawat. These are the valleys which are present. Usman, why you have joined? Assalamu alaikum. I don't get it. 5 minutes are left and you have joined the class. What was the purpose? So valleys are there. Valleys are the flatter land. It is also a feature of the mountainous region. And you are not having your mic as well. No need to chat with me. Okay, I don't want to chat with the students. I'm not going to listen to the problems of those students who are not having their mic. Okay, gorges are there. Gorges are basically the pathways which are formed by the erosion of water, by the soil erosion. When it's water erode away the softer rocks, softer parts, and the passages are formed, the pathways are formed. You must have heard in the mountainous region there are khai, where the deep part where it is present, and we called it a gorge. Okay, you have copied, boys? Boys, you have copied?
Miss, I'm recording the lecture. I'll copy it after.
Yeah,
So these are the pictures which I wanted to share with you. Why? Because examiner can ask you the pictorial interpretation. All the features which I have discussed are shown in the picture here. The first picture in the left is the glacier. Can you see the glacier? Mountains covered with ice only. Those are the ice mountains. Those are the glaciers. The second picture shows the snow-capped peaks. Second picture in the left shows the snow-capped peaks, the mountains behind the scene, which are shown, the high altitude mountains, their peaks are covered with snow. The third picture on the left shows the pass. Can you see a pass? Yes, it's a pathway which is formed naturally. That is a pass, and it is a feature of the mountainous region only. The picture in the middle also shows a pass, and that is a natural pass, which is giving the way to the invaders, which is giving the providing the people to travel from one area to another, which connects one area to another as well. Okay, so pass is a feature. Why I am showing you? Examiner can give you the picture and he can ask you to identify the feature, which you can see in the picture. Okay, then the last picture shows the difficult landscape. The last picture shows the difficult landscape. Is it clear? All of you have understood? The pictures are important, like maps are important. In the similar way, pictures are also very important. This map, now you are going to download this map as well, and you are going to locate the passes on this map. Okay, I will be telling you which passes are important. The first pass is the Khunjara Pass. Can you see in the top the Khunjara Pass, which connects Pakistan with China? Can you see Khunjara Pass, which is there in the top? It connects Pakistan with China. Coming to the east, the right side, the Karakoram Pass is also there. Karakoram Pass. Let me tell you the importance of the Khunjara Pass. That over that Karakoram Highway is constructed. Okay, on the Khunjara Pass, Karakoram Highway is there constructed, and it connects Pakistan with China, over which CPEC is under construction, and CPEC is being started, so that the trade with China is done easily. We are having friendlier relation with China, and China helps us, support us in many of the things. Coming to the right, we are having Karakoram Pass. With the Karakoram Pass, you can see Siachen Glacier. Can you see Siachen Glacier? There is Siachen Glacier. What?
I wanted to ask something. Sorry, I'm interrupting your lecture.
No, beta, you can ask anytime. Yes?
Miss, isn't China actually profiting off us? Like it's such a big nation, and what it provides us, it's actually like a rent for them, and they can access our
Definitely.
ports. And
Definitely,
so
they
I
are.
think they're using us. Like Pakistanis are deceived that China is our friend, is a friendly country who can help us, but they are profiting off us.
They are definitely profiting of us, but do you think Pakistani nation is a child, that they are not understanding that? Definitely there is some profit which we are getting. That is the reason we have given them this opportunity to use our land.
Yes.
They are giving us many profits, many benefits. You can't imagine that what benefits they are providing us. That is the reason they are easily given access to each and everything. The land of Pakistan, and they are crossing the whole land from Khunjara to Gwadar to use the port. They have developed the area. They have developed Gwadar. They are installing projects on the pathways for the power generation, the problems of Pakistan, so that we are getting benefit. Definitely, it's a very short, less amount for them, but we, being the developing country, is getting benefit. Okay, this is the only reason. Okay, Siachen is there. You can see Siachen. You are going to locate Siachen at the map as well. Baturo is there. Okay, Khunjara Pass. After that, there is one pass, Babusar Pass, coming to Naran. You can see Naran there. Naran is there. Above that, we are having Babusar Pass. In the middle, above occupied Kashmir, it's written Babusar Pass. Have you seen Babusar Pass here in the map? Boys. Okay, you are going to locate that. One more thing which you are going to locate is the Karakoram Highway. Please look at the picture, take the screenshot of the picture so that you can easily draw the Karakoram Highway which is coming from Khunjara Pass. Okay, Khunjara Pass, Karakoram Pass, Siachen, Babusar Pass. There is Shandur Pass, Tiru. With Tiru, you can see the Shandur Pass is there, which connects Chitral with Tiru. Can you see Shandur Pass? Shandur Pass is there. You have to draw the Shandur Pass as well, which is connecting Kalam with Chitral. Then Luari Pass, which connects Dir with Chitral. Luari Pass is there. These are the passes which you are going to locate. Okay. In the meanwhile, I am just Bilal. You open your mic and you can help me in taking the attendance of your class. Today is 2nd. Abdullah Nasir is here.
Miss?
Sir, can
Is
you?
it-
Yes.
Abdullah Nasir is here. Nisar. Abdullah Nisar is here.
No.
Azaz is here but
Yes.
worthless. No, not speaking. Anas Javed is not here. Abdur Rahman Hanan, Ayan Sabir, Muhammad Anas, a speechless
yes, he is there.
person. I have seen him, but it's worthless. Shahir Ajaz,
Yes, he is there.
he
But
have
he's not.
joined very late. Ayan Shoaib is here? No.
No.
Lujain, Hashir, Faik, Hashir, Nadeem, Usman Shahzad, joined very late, useless. Hassan Raza, Kaab, Ansar is here.
Yes.
I have seen many people who can't speak in my class. I can know their names and I can recall their names. They will be in trouble.